Hey guys, it is Wendy and Jason from Hot Chick Tool Toy Review and Typhon Toys and Collectibles. And we have a new unboxing we're pretty excited about. Mainly because it is something very new for us. Not just how current the piece is, but something even more special than that.
There she is. Come here. Hey, calm down.
And
Ow!
there is she. Why are you being such a lunatic? Brand new football is why. We have the Obi-Wan Kenobi, the Padawan Obi-Wan, with the first light up lightsaber from Sideshow. So we're pretty excited about that.
Look at that.
Looks pretty good.
It's very nice. Nice little compact box. Cheap shipping. I like that. A nice classic black Star Wars simple box. Nothing crazy. Nothing shaped all like a big box of chocolates. It's nice and little, compact, and it matches all the rest of the box. Very cool. Can't wait to open this guy and do a nice review.
Gonna review on him.
Yes.
Take a look at his light up lightsaber.
Yes.
But
Not sure how that works yet, but
that is the Padawan Obi-Wan Kenobi in stock now.
so that's from episode 1.
I think so. He's
Yep.
a Padawan
Yep.
under Qui-Gon Jinn.
Alrighty then.
That's it for today, people. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. And if you need this and you haven't gotten it, check out Typhon Toys. Love you guys.
Peace.